Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how you can add an admin to your Facebook page. First, open your Facebook app. Make sure to log into your page. Once on your Facebook page, click this menu option on the bottom right corner of your screen. And then after that, click the settings icon on the top. From here, scroll down and navigate to page setup. Click on that. Then you can click on page access. On this page, you can see all the people who have access to your page. To add one, click this Add New on the top right, click Next, and type their name on the search box, and tap on them once they pop on option. On this page, you can grant them full access to your page by clicking this button. Once done, click on Give Access and you're done. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.